In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly use Descript alongside Google to enhance your audio projects. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will simplify the process, allowing you to efficiently manage your content creation journey. Let's dive in and get started. Begin by heading over to Descript. Open your web browser and type in the URL that directs you to the Descript login page. Once there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you're new to Descript, setting up an account is straightforward. Simply follow the prompts to create one using your email or Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the main dashboard, a hub where you manage all your projects. Now it's time to interact with your account. After accessing Descript, you might be prompted to choose or confirm the Google account you want to associate. This step ensures that all your work is synced correctly. Simply click on the account you want to use, and the connection will be established. This is an efficient way to keep everything organized across platforms. Next, let's talk about project management. Depending on your workflow, you might want to open an existing project or start a new one. The choice is entirely yours. For existing projects, just click on the project title and it will open up, ready for editing. If you prefer to start fresh, you can create a new project by selecting the appropriate option in the dashboard. This flexibility allows you to tailor your workspace to suit your current needs. Once your project is open, the next step is to add content. Begin by adding audio elements. From within your project, locate and click on the Project tab. Here's where you can add files from your computer. Select Add to commence uploading your desired sound effects. This feature supports a variety of file formats, ensuring a robust and versatile editing experience. After uploading your sound effects, it's crucial to organize them. You can do this by adding a new layer to your project, which will automatically incorporate your new elements. Layers help keep your project components distinct and manageable, allowing for smoother edits and a more organized workflow. For additional customization, head over to the Media section. This option offers alternative ways to manage your project content. Here you can further refine your audio elements to match your creative vision. Don't forget, there's also an Audio tab available. Selecting this will lead you to options specifically tailored for audio enhancements, providing tools that can fine-tune your project's sound quality and texture. Finally, commit your changes by clicking Add to Project. This ensures that all the elements you've uploaded and organized are saved and integrated into your project. With these steps complete, you're now ready to dive deeper into editing, ensuring your project is both professional and polished. By following these instructions, you've not only streamlined your audio project process, but also enhanced the overall quality of your content. Keep experimenting with these tools to refine your skills and maximize your creative potential. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy editing.